In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a bill in Xero. This task can be fundamental for managing your accounts efficiently, especially if you've entered incorrect data or the associated transaction no longer applies. So let's walk through the process together step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Xero website by typing in xero.com. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll spot the Login button. Go ahead and click on that to access your Xero account. After successfully logging in, you'll be brought to your Xero dashboard. On this dashboard, look towards the top taskbar menu where you'll find a section labeled Purchases. Clicking on Purchases will take you to a page that deals with all your purchase transactions. Within this section, you'll want to locate Bills. Clicking on Bills will lead you to a detailed list view of all of the transactions you've recorded in your purchase ledger. Once you're in the Bills section, you'll see a list of bills that have been previously logged into the system. Spend a moment to review these entries and identify the specific bill you'd like to void. To select the bill, click directly on the entry. This will bring up the bill's invoice with all associated details on display. Now, with the bill invoice in view, look towards the top right part of the screen where you'll find an option labeled Bill Options. Click on Bill Options to bring up a drop-down menu. Within this menu, keep an eye out for the Void option. Selecting Void will start the process of nullifying this bill. Upon clicking Void, Xero will prompt you with a confirmation dialog box. Take a moment to review the details once more to ensure that voiding this particular bill is indeed your intention. If you're certain that this is the action you want to take, click OK to finalize the action, effectively voiding the bill. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of voiding a bill in Xero. Remember, voiding a bill in Xero is a permanent action, so always double-check the bill details before confirming the void to avoid any unwanted adjustments in your accounts. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting!